Welcome back, folks. Today, we're diving into the world of air filters, specifically the Filterbuy 20x20x1 air filter MERV 8 dust defense. If you're looking for the best air filters for your HVAC system, you're in the right place.
I'm your host, and this is Product Critique.
Now, let's get right into it. The Filterbuy 20x20x1 air filter MERV 8 dust defense is truly a standout product in the world of air filtration. With its MERV 8 rating, it's designed to protect your home from dust, pollen, and more, trapping up to 90% of airborne particles without compromising airflow. What sets this air filter apart is its high-quality construction. The pleated design not only captures more harmful particles but also prolongs the product's lifespan by 3 times compared to fiberglass models. Plus, the industrial-grade beverage board frames with dual-wire backings outperform standard cardboard designs, ensuring durability and reliability. So, what makes the Filterbuy 20x20x1 air filter MERV 8 dust defense the best choice for your HVAC system? It's simple. With its superior filtration effectiveness, durable construction, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, this air filter offers unbeatable performance and value. That wraps up our review of the Filterbuy 20x20x1 air filter MERV 8 dust defense. If you're ready to breathe cleaner air and protect your HVAC system, be sure to check out this top-rated air filter.
Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more reviews from Product Critique.
Until next time, breathe freely.